Task number 2, methodology. Every operation requires some form of planning to achieve success. If you are interested in wildlife photography, you cannot just grab a camera and head to the jungle unless you don't care about the outcome. For a safe and successful wildlife photography tour, you would need to learn more about the animals you want to shoot with your camera. This includes the habits of the animal and the dangers to avoid. The same would apply to a military operation against a target or breaking into a target network. Here we have a framework from the beginning to the end of a penetration test. We have certain steps, right? We plan. Breaking into a target network usually includes a number of steps. According to Lockheed Martin, the cyber kill chain has 7 steps. Recon, weaponization, delivery, exploitation, installation, command and control, actions, and objectives. If you read the PTES, you will see other steps. Any penetration testing methodology, the steps that you need to take from the beginning to end will meet in any kind of methodology, standard or whatever, will meet under different names, but they do the same things. Recon short for reconnaissance, refers to the steps where the attacker tries to learn as much as possible about the target. Information such as the types of servers, OS, IP addresses, names of users, email addresses, can help the attacker's success. Recon is the first step and it's probably the most critical step. It's extremely important. Weaponization. This step refers to preparing a file with a malicious component, for example, to provide the attacker with remote access. Delivery means delivering the weaponized file to the target via any feasible method, such as email or USB flash memory. Exploitation. When the user opens the malicious file, their system executes the malicious component. Installation. The previous step should install the malware on the target system. Command and control, C2. The successful installation of the malware provides the attacker with a command and control ability over the system. Target system. Actions and objectives. After gaining control over one target system, the attacker has achieved their objective. One example objective is data exfiltration. In other words, stealing target's data. Here we can see a house, a TryHackMe logo right there. And here we can see let's say a hacker that is watching a house, right, in order to gain information, to learn about this environment. Another analogy would be a thief interested in a target house. The thief will spend some time learning about the target house, who lives there, when they leave, and when they return home. The thief will determine whether they have security cameras and alarm systems. Once enough information has been gathered, the thief will plan the best entry strategy. Physical theft planning and execution resemble, in a way, the malicious attacks that aim to break into a network and steal data. In the next task, we will carry out a practical example of the kill chain. Cyber kill chain. Answer the question below. During which step of the cyber kill chain does the attacker gather information about the target? If we go here, we see the 7 kill chain steps. And we know that in a recon phase, otherwise a reconnaissance, this is the step in which we gather information about the target. Cool.